LCS Cable Cranes is an Austrian company with international experience in the design and construction of ropeways and cable cranes. This know-how was also used in the ropeway project in the Montafon Valley, beginning with an in-depth site analysis and detailed designs. The ropeway was designed to carry loads of 20 tons over 598 meters altitude and 2,640 meters of horizontal length. Following the clear planning and development process, the ropeway was finally built. A total of 7 towers were built, which are 20 to 37 meters high. Mobile cranes were used to assemble most of the tower elements, some of which weighed 4 tons. However, on extreme and inaccessible slopes, special helicopters had to be used to install some of the towers. The pre-assembled towers were transported to the location by helicopter. In this operation, the pilots had to position the towers exactly and hold them steady, while the LCS technicians secured and installed them. When the towers were in place, a 4-ton support yoke was installed by helicopter at a height of about 30 meters. Finally, the saddles with the sheave assemblies were assembled to the yoke. These saddles are used to keep the 2-track ropes in place and to guide the hauling rope. 2 separate ropes of 31 millimeter diameter were installed along the entire length of the ropeway and all the towers. Once the towers were fixed in place, the 3,000 meter track ropes were tensioned. These ropes have a diameter of 60 millimeters and are anchored in the bottom station and on the top station with the basic tension of 110 tons each. The entire system was designed as a circular system. The hauling rope, a 34 millimeter thick and 6,000 meter long rope, is kept under tension by a weight at the tensioning tower located at the base station. It is powered by a rotary drive system at the top station that consists of 2 separate electro-hydraulic power units, each with 400 kilowatt power output. Loads are transported by attaching them to a special carriage that is lifting the loads from the ground. The carriage has its own 100 horsepower engine, is rated for payload of 20 tons, and is operated wirelessly. After nearly 5 months of construction, during which approximately 18,000 meters of steel cable and more than 800 tons of steel were used, the material ropeway was completed and ready for operations.